Okay, good morning, everyone. Everyone, take out your English literature book. English literature. Who is yesterday? Who is asking me the stories, the fairy tales? Name of the fairy tales? Who is asking me? Just raise your hand. The name of the fairy tales. Who is asking me? Sifa.
Yes, I asked the story's name.
Yes.
Foolish Jack.
Foolish Jack. No,
Ma'am,
no. It's page number 34. Page number 34. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 fairy tales. Who is asking the name of the fairy tales? Sohel. Okay. Okay, but just drop your hands. Now drop your hands. Everyone, drop your hands. Jasmeet. Yes, Jasmeet. English literature book. Open English literature book. English literature. Enriching English. I can't hear your voice. English. Okay. Acha, everyone. Okay, just wait. Everyone, take out your and mute. Jasmeet Parvez, mute yourself. Jasmeet Parvez, mute yourself. Okay. Everyone take out your English literature book and copy. Okay. I am telling the name of the story. Just write down, note down. Name of the story. First one. Hansel and Gretel. Hansel. Hansel and Gretel. Yes, Sifa. What happened?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, again, you tell I did not listen.
Okay. Open page number 34. Page number 34. Page number 34.
Yes, ma'am, I found 34 page number.
Page number 34. First story, first fairy tales. The name of the fairy tale is Hansel and Gretel. HANSELGRATEL. Hansel and Gretel. Yes, Rito Prabhu. Somayon. Yes. What? I can't hear your voice. Say loudly.
Hansel and Gretel paranta akbar bolun.
HANSELGRATEL. HANSEL. I will give it this in study material portion. Okay. Check the spelling. Hansel and Gretel. 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 Hansel, Hansel and Gretel. Then next at the Hansel and Gretel, ঠিক তার নিচেরটায় দেখো, ঠিক বটমে দেখো, তার নিচেরটায় দেখো, নিচের যে পিকচারটা রয়েছে ঠিক তার নিচে যে পিকচারটা রয়েছে, look at this picture. Okay. The name of the fairy tale is Jack and the Beanstalk. Jack. Jack. What happened? What is this? Bolo. Meghna.
ম্যাম
Yes.
ম্যাম এক্ষুনি যে স্টোরিটা বললেন ওইটা কোনটা ম্যাম? সেকেন্ডটা না থার্ডটা?
First এটা Hansel and Gretel. Then next ঠিক তার
ওটা হয়ে যাচ্ছে।
হ্যাঁ ঠিক তার নিচেরটা দেখো, নিচে ঠিক তার নিচে যে পিকচারটা আছে।
পরেরটা ম্যাম?
Okay, just wait. নিচে যে পিকচারটা আছে দেখো, show me in front of the camera. Show me your book, Meghna. Show me your book. Yes, ঠিক তার দেখো Hansel and Gretel টা ফার্স্ট, তার নিচে দেখো একটা পিকচার আছে। হ্যাঁ, point this picture. Yes, yes, yes. Everyone. Yes, yes. Okay. Yes. This is Jack and the Beanstalk. Jack. Beanstalk. Stalk.
ম্যাম আরেকবার বলুন।
Jack. 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 And the Beanstalk. Beanstalk. Everyone, just drop your hands. Drop your hands. Drop your hands. Drop your hands. First, drop your hands. Then I am telling. First, drop your hands. Everyone. I will give this in study material portion. Okay. I will give the name in study material portion. And the third one, দেখো push in boots. Third one, push in boots. Okay, okay. Have you, I think you have any problem. So I will give these names in study material portion. Don't write now. Okay. Don't write now. I will give this in study material portion. Just, okay. Just note it down from the study material portion. I will give the names of the story in study material portion, but because you have some problem, I think. Okay. So let's start our everyone open your book. Open your book. Foolish Jack, second part. Foolish Jack, 36. Page number 36. Page number 36.
Ma'am, is this?
Yes, everyone drop your hands. Very irritating. Drop your hands. Okay. Page number 36. Page number 36. Okay. You good for nothing boy. Hey, mute yourself. Mute yourself. You good for nothing boy, said his mother. You should have carried it carefully in your hands. So, the mother, Jack's mother said to him that you good for nothing boy. You should have carried it carefully in your hands. Then replied Jack. Jack replied, next time I will. Jack replied, next time I will. The day after, Jack found a job with a baker. After the next day, Jack found a job with a baker who would give him nothing for his work but a large tomcat. The baker gave him the tomcat, begged him a large tomcat. Jack took the cat and carried it very carefully in his hands. Jack took the cat and carried it very carefully in his hands. But in a short time, the cat scratched him so much. The cat scratched his hand so much that he was forced to let it go. When he got home, his mother said to him, "You silly fellow, you should have tied a string around his neck and brought it along after you." Jack's mother told Jack that, "You silly fellow, you should have tied a string around his neck and brought it along after you." Jack said, "Next time I will." Jack কি বললো যে ঠিক আছে পরের দিন আমি এটা করব। The next day, Jack got work at a butcher shop. Next day, Jack worked at a butcher shop. Who is speaking? Who is telling this? Just mute yourself. Mute yourself. The next day, Jack got work at a butcher shop. The butcher gave him a handsome portion of meat for his work. The next day, Jack went out for his work and got a job at butcher shop. The butcher gave him a handsome portion of meat for his work. Jack took the meat and Jack remembered his mother's voice. His mother, what she is saying that Jack took a meat and tied to a string and trailed it along after him in the dark. By the time he got home, the meat was completely spoiled. This time his mother completely lost her patience with him. For the next day was Sunday and she had to make do with cabbage for her dinner. Then Jack's mother lost her patience. And for the next day, Sunday, and she had to make do with cabbage for her dinner. "You fool," she said to her son, "you should have carried on your shoulder." "Next time I will," replied Jack. Jack বলল যে ঠিক আছে, আবার মায়ের কথাও মনে করে বলল আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে তাহলে তাই করব, এরপর শোল্ডারের ওপর নিয়ে আসবো। On Monday, Jack went out once more and found a job with a cattle farmer. Next day, Jack went out for the job again and job with a cattle farmer who gave him a donkey for his trouble. Although Jack was strong, he found it difficult to hoist the donkey on his shoulder. Hoist means lift, raise, okay, donkey on his shoulders. But he managed and began to walk home slowly with his prize. কিন্তু সে ম্যানেজ করে নিল এবং ম্যানেজ করে নিয়ে ওই শোল্ডারেতে ওই ডাঙ্কিটাকে ওকে উঠিয়ে নিয়ে ও বাড়ির দিকে চলে এলো। Along the way, there lived a rich man with his beautiful daughter. Along the way, there lived a rich man with his beautiful daughter. She could neither hear nor speak. The daughter, the rich man's daughter, neither hear nor speak. The doctor said she would never speak until somebody made her laugh. যতক্ষণ না কেউ তাকে হাসাতে পারবে সে কথাও বলতে পারবে না আর শুনতেও পাবে না। Many had tried but had failed. The girl's father had promised to offer her in marriage to the first man who could make her laugh. Daughter's father promised that the daughter is marriage with the man who could make her laugh. This young lady was looking out of the window when Jack walked by with the donkey on his shoulders. Looking out of the window. In the picture, everyone's look at the picture. Everyone look at the picture. In the picture, the daughter looked out in the window, and what he saw. What you saw? He was seen that the Jack was carrying a donkey on his shoulder. This scene, this sight was so comical and strange that the girl burst out in laughter. হেসে ফেটে পড়লো। Burst out. হাসিতে ফেটে পড়লো। Burst out in laughter, suddenly and loudly laughing. Okay. And she immediately started speaking and could hear everything too. After that, she immediately started speaking and could hear everything too. So from that day, from that moment, the girl was speaking and listening everything. Okay. It's a miracle, exclaimed her father, overjoyed. Will you marry this young man, my dear? ওর মেয়েকে জিজ্ঞেস করলো, তুমি কি ওই ছেলেটাকে বিয়ে করবে? He asked his daughter. He happily agrees. She happily agreed. সে খুব আনন্দ সহকারে বলল, হ্যাঁ আমি করব, বিয়ে করব, রাজি হলো। Jack was married to the girl and became a rich gentleman because this girl's father was very rich, so that Jack was married to the girl and become a very rich gentleman. They lived in a large house and Jack's mother lived with them in great happiness. তাহলে জ্যাক মাদার তারপর থেকে ওখানে ওরা থাকতে লাগলো এবং খুব আনন্দ সহকারে ওরা ওখানে থাকলো। ঠিক আছে? So everyone read. Read. Yes, Ashraful.
Ma'am, can I go to toilet?
Yes, you may go. You may go. Amina.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me what happened.
Ma'am, জ্যাকেটটা পরাচ্ছেন?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. take Maherin.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
toilet.
Hmm?
May I go to toilet?
Yes, yes, yes. You may go. You may go. Take Sohel. Sohel.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, yes.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
ma'am, আপনার কথা আটকে আটকে এসছে।
Hmm. This is your network issue. Rito Prabhu.
Ma'am,
Yes,
we have to learn first to last.
yes, yes, yes. First to last. Okay, okay. You have to memorize the meaning. Okay, you have to memorize the meaning. The meaning: dreary, dreary, sad or dull. Spinning, the act of making thread using a spinning wheel. Turn him out, throw him out. Threat, warning. Manage, to deal with something carefully. And good for nothing, of no use. Handsome, big piece. Handsome here means a big piece. Trailed, pulled it along the behind him. Patience, the ability to stay calm and not get angry. Make do with, manage with. For his trouble, for doing the work. Host, lift and raise. Sight, a scene that you see. Comical, funny. Everything you will get in your book. Okay, every meaning. Comical, funny, burst out suddenly and loudly. Miracle, wonderful happening that cannot be explained. Miracle, that wonderful happening that cannot be explained. Memorize the meaning. Everyone, memorize the meaning. I will ask anytime. I will ask anytime the meaning. Anyone, anytime. So everyone memorize. Meghna?
Ma'am, may I go to toilet?
Yes, yes, you may go. Sayyam Das?
Ma'am, may I go to toilet?
Yes, everyone raising hand for the toilet. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay, okay, go, go, go.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of handsome?
Yes, handsome means a very big piece. Big meat. Okay, big piece of meat. Yes, Shamayon. Shamayon?
Ma'am, I am go to toilet.
Yes, yes, you may go. Tabnoor?
Ma'am,
Yes.
what is meaning of burst out?
Burst
Burst out?
out. Yes, burst out means suddenly and loudly. Started laughing. মানে হাসিতে ফেটে পড়া. Started laughing.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Jasmeer Parvez.
ম্যাম
Yes, tell me.
আমি এই চ্যাপ্টারটা আগে থেকে আমি স্যারের কাছে পড়ে নিয়েছি, এটা কি আবার পড়তে হবে আমাকে?
Yes. Read once again.
ওকে ম্যাম।
Okay, just I will give your attendance.
Ma'am.
Yes. Who is this?
Ma'am, Asraful, what is the meaning of make?
Yes. Make make মানে তৈরি করা।
Okay, ma'am.
Everyone read carefully. Everyone wear your school uniform at the time of the class. Again and again I am saying that. Everyone wear your school uniform. Yes, Rahat? Rahat? Yes, tell me. Rahat? Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you any queries, Rahat?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me. Yes, Shabnur?
ম্যাম হোয়াট ইজ মিনিং অফ কমিক্যাল?
কমিক্যাল মিন্স হচ্ছে ফানি। ওই যে জ্যাক কি করেছিল, ওই শোল্ডারে করে ওই বিয়েটা তোমার ডাঙ্কিটাকে নিয়ে আসছিল, তো দিস সাইট ইজ ভেরি ফানি।
ওকে ম্যাম।
Okay, so bye bye everyone. See you tomorrow. Everyone read this chapter very carefully and memorize the meaning. This is your homework. Okay. Memorize the meaning and read the chapter very carefully. Okay. Bye bye.